Every flight depends on a stable connection. But signal range shouldn't define your reach. Introducing DJI O4 Ground Station. The backbone of operations. Solid connectivity starts with capable hardware. The high-gain GNSS module enables centimeter-level positioning. The high-performance RF unit delivers greater power capacity and higher sensitivity. And a 12-antenna multi-band directional array locks in omnidirectional coverage. Sub-2 band support enhances signal penetration. Paired with automatic band switching, it dynamically secures a clean channel even in complex urban environments. The new gateway mode removes the need to connect to a specific Dock 3. By linking directly to Flight Hub 2 over the internet, it vastly expands the deployment radius. Position O4 ground station on higher ground to extend signal reach and improve transmission quality. With Flight Hub 2 signal map, weak coverage zones are clearly marked, helping guide precise deployment to reinforce the transmission link. O4 ground station inherits relay station mode from DRTK3. Controllers or docks within range can scan and connect, maintaining video relay even without network coverage, and enabling faster turnarounds when used with Matrice 400. Relay range reaches up to 40 kilometers. It adapts to harsh deployment conditions, supporting stable outdoor operation. With software and power self-recovery mechanisms, it enables 24/7 remote operation while reducing maintenance costs. For off-grid operations, integrate the DJI Power Solar Solution or third-party PV systems. With Smart Low Power mode, it hibernates when no drone is connected, drawing just 7 watts on standby. Beyond a communication node, it also serves as an integration hub. With multi-protocol ports, it supports standard IP cameras. Stream the feed directly into Flight Hub 2 for unified air-to-ground video management. The new MQTT-based ESDK 2.0 lowers the development barrier. Connect Remote ID or ADS-B receivers to protect Dock 3 airspace. For nearby aircraft, Flight Hub 2 triggers alerts for proactive avoidance. One-click deploys the drone to check the signal source, with logs auto-generated. DJI O4 ground station, securing every connection, bridging every blind spot. As these nodes take their positions, a fully connected airspace takes shape.